It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
Ryan Little.
Hey, baby.
I come to the laundry room to relax. That's sad. Sad, sad, sad.
Hey, how do you feel about the amount of testosterone in this house?
I don't like it.
Why? It's the blonde life.
Welcome to the Savage Life. It's the Savage Life.
What's wrong? Call me savage. After that.
Our Saturday mornings is like a Friday night at a fraternity party, and Lynley loves it. And my brother-in-law picked up the boys, taken them to my mom's. So they're spending the night at least at Mimi's house. Cameron and Caitlin are going to Cece's house. So Mimi and Cece have kid duty this weekend.
Poor Mimi and Cece.
Poor Mimi and Cece. I'm sorry for y'all.
But we love you.
We do. It's date night, date day, date evening. Whatever it is, I'm gonna go show Lynley a really good time. Per usual. Okay, I know I said it was a rare occurrence about date night, and we talked about it, that it only happens once in a blue moon, and I know it's been twice this week. So what's even more of a rare occurrence is not necessarily the date night, but actually the date weekend. Down here, there's some amazing restaurants. There are some really great areas to play football, run around, and all kinds of things. I don't know if we're gonna do any running around or football. We're definitely gonna do some eating and maybe some margaritas. La Gloria margaritas down here is absolutely insane. They are ridiculously tasty, but also they'll knock you on your ass. Like, they will tear you up. The first few times I had one was actually at a business lunch, and I had one margarita and I was done. Like, I was done. I was looking at the people I was meeting with for that lunch. I was thinking, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I can't drive away from this meeting. So I think I let everyone go, and then I just kind of sat there and drank water for about 45 minutes and walked up and down the river a little bit just to kind of chill out, and I needed every minute of that walking. So this is an amazing place. It really is cool. And they got all these lights going right now in the buildings, and it's just amazing. So Lynley, are you ready for some tacos and some margaritas?
I am.
Oh, she is. Let's go, let's do it, let's do it. It's so cool because Lynley used to be very uncomfortable with this whole vlogging and public thing, and I think look at her, look how chill she is right now. She's like chill. And
Tough or die. That's my only choice.
To be honest, it's a little dark to wear sunglasses right now, and I'm about to switch over.
A little bit. I think it's time to take them off.
It's happening very soon.
It should happen now.
Creating a little mystery is what we're trying to do here. So,
as people watch you cook your bacon and put your socks on in the morning, I think the mystery is over.
it's cold for like Texas standards. Actually, you know, it's winter time and it's been like in the 80s and 90s in the winter. The super chilly evening is currently 60 degrees. That's how relative it is for Texans. Amazing live music Fridays and Saturday nights here at La Gloria down the Riverwalk in San Antonio. Very cold with that frozen margarita.
All right, I'm gonna tough it out.
She looks great tonight. Yeah. I'm full of tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
3/4 of a
It's
margarita.
raining
That's all it
tacos.
takes for
It's
you.
raining tacos.
Oh.
Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat.
Are you making this up as you go along?
How'd you feel about our date night?
I thought it was good.
Do
Better
you-
question is, how did you feel?
I had a good time. And I am ready to head home.
Me too.
Love you.
Mean it. XOX.